All right, it's been a while since I covered this, so I thought we would take a look at it. And I have put had a couple people ask about donations. And there's a link in the description of the video, USDT address on the Ethereum blockchain if you'd like to donate to the channel. Greatly appreciated. Kind of a small channel, so every bit helps. We can put it back into looking to get some, starting to get some videos edited. You know, I do them kind of raw. Which I like, but I know people like videos edited, so that's what I'm putting any donations towards, saving up for that. To have somebody do that for me, since I don't really know that much about it. Now you can see here Myro down here is making higher lows up through here. Let's get our pointer here. This is on a weekly chart, right? This low down here, or lower high, lower low. You got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a higher low so far. All right, good to see. 17.6 has not been taken out yet, right? This was that high back in August 19th of 2024, right? So back in August we have set this high. I would say, if 17.6 is taken out, Myro is going to run, okay? No doubt about it. The prior highs for a lot of tokens that were set back in this time, once they broke it, they took off. All right, now we're down in here. Looks like a ABC pattern type of pattern here. If we come in on daily, let's take a look here and measure this out and see if this thing might be headed to the upside. All right. First off, let's get this up here so I get the measurement right. Let's take our fib. See if this was ABC. All right, we had a 618 and a 702 right there. Pull it down on top. Fits absolutely perfect, don't it? All right, this would be your top of your A. This would be the bottom of your A, okay? Now what you do is you take your top of your A and put it on the top of your C. Well, we gotta move it over here first, right? Alright, right there. Oops, sorry about that. I carried it a little bit too far. Right there, okay? You can see we came up and hit a 702. You want to pull your top of your A down on top of your C leg here. That gives you your target for your bottom. And look at that. Absolutely. I pulled it a little bit again. I apologize. Meant to let go. There we go. You got a perfect bottom. A, B, C. I would say the correction is over. This thing should be making a push here towards the upside. All right. Let's move in here and take a look. Also, I want to show you guys, I talk about our Discord all the time. We are in a killer XRP trade. We got in this thing, let me show you, way back down here. Just a day or 2 days ago, actually, I believe it was. Well, no, maybe it was a few more days than that. I apologize, yeah. Right down in here was the entry. We got the breakout of this side over here. That's your 618, 702 targets off this high back here. We're looking to ride this thing up here. I know a lot of people are up 3, 4x right now as we sit right in here, but this is looking like I think a 60-some, 70% move. So on a 10x, you would 7x your money. On a 20x, even 14x your money. Isn't that awesome? Turn $1,000 into 14,000 off one trade. You can do it with leverage. You can. You got to get good entries, and you got to be smart. Good entries are an absolute must. All right. You don't want to get your entry, way up in here, and then have to worry about it moving down or up. You're right in the middle. You're in no man's land basically, or an entry over here. Right in the middle. What are you going to do there? Try to ride that to the top, or are you looking for a short? Either way, you're in a bad area. You want to look for bottoms, like right here. Ride that up. Bottoms. Look for bottoms or tops. Resistance areas. This was running up. Of course, you wouldn't have known that was a resistance, right? Anyway, let's move on here. We're in a killer trade looking to ride this up pretty big time. So if you want to join up, that's level 3 membership. It's only $15. All right, you get over 10 hours of videos. Teach you how to start charting. A link to the Discord. We would love to have you. And if you want a personalized chart on a crypto of your choice, I have a USDT wallet address. Send $20 and then email me the transaction ID and the token name. I'll send you a chart. It's not financial advice. My opinion with price targets that I would look for that token. A lot of people asking that all the time too. All right, now where could Myro go here? Let's take a measurement off this bottom. See where we're at. You would definitely, well, you're right in that bounce area for sure. This is on a daily. You can see this is holding up down through here. You get this high, this low, a lower high, a lower low. Now you have a higher high and a higher low so far on today. All right, it's running up through the daily. Stochastic RSI is oversold. It's at a 10 and a 13. Trying to turn back up. Okay, your 4 hour, it has turned up. All right, there you go. There's the last 12 hours. 3 nice green candles here. All right, looking for a break. Actually, of this high right through here. All right, of 9.7. You want to see 9.7 taken out. Is that what we want right here? Let's take a look here. Well, that would break that. That's a pretty big resistance, support and resistance area through here. I think we were looking at that last time. You know, all these wicks coming out of that area. Resistance back through here. I'd like to see it retake that. But the ABC measures out for a bottom. The daily RSI is turning back up. You got your 1 hour. 1 hour is about near the top here. Yeah, you can see what's going on in here, what it looks like on the smaller time frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a fifth wave up. Then you have a pullback there. You know, for like a 4 hour one on here. It'd be like this instead of trying to, maybe push up to here with this fifth wave. Pull back to a 50% on the 4 hour. I would imagine this thing is going to start working its way up out of here. It looks like, all right, you get your higher low here off the bottom. This low, higher low. You're definitely getting that, and you have a bottom coming in. So Myro, I would watch for this thing as long as it holds this bottom trend line. This trend line started way back in September. Right, and it has respected it right up through here, which is awesome. But the first targets for this bouncing up out of here, you want to watch for it. Number one, for it to take out. Oops, let's get that off there. I would want to see it take out this closed candle right through here. Let's get that off there. Just put a regular horizontal line and a price. That's right about 10 cents. I want to see that taken out cleanly. All right, that would take out these closed candles here and show me that it's trying to make a push to the upside, right? And then after it takes that out, the first targets would be up here at 12.5 cents. That's your first real target, Fibonacci levels to target. Let's put a mark here. 12.5. Then if we break that, the next one's up here would be 13.7. Well, let's go with the first one first, right? Get that. Any break of we get a run and any break of this 17.6. All right, Myro is gonna really take off. Any shot of that. Look where the 1618 puts us on this top and this bottom of our potential first move up to 12.5. the 1618 Fibonacci is right up towards that 17.6 again. Isn't that something? Look at the blue line. There you go. Let me try to move this a little bit for you. The 1618. Let's go off that high. Again, it puts us right back up near that target again. That 17.6. That has just been a nemesis here. But getting higher highs and higher lows, guys. Definitely watch for a push up to that 12 and a half cents. And then if we get through there, all right, then we could be taking on this 17.6 here and working our way up out of here. But higher highs and higher lows. Looks like a completed ABC. This thing should be heading to the upside. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching.